welcome, and today we will discuss IELTS myths. So, one of the myths is IELTS exam is easy and practice is not needed. Many students feel that the exam is very easy and they do not need any kind of practice. But that's a misconception. IELTS exam, even though it's easier than TOEFL or GRE, it is kind of difficult. In terms of that, you need certain kind of practice with your listening, reading, writing, and speaking. If you think that this exam is a cakewalk and you can just go and like just do it without any kind of like practice, it's not the case. It's not like wearing shoes that you put on your slip-ons and just like go into the center and will score band 9. That is not the case. The second is the test can be given only once. The test can be given multiple times, but there is a gap. You can give the test two times in a month, twice in a month. Okay. Third one is band 6 is required to pass the test. Well, band 6 is encouraged, but the number of bands that are required will be dependent upon your case. For example, if you are going to a university, now the university might ask you to score at least band 6.5 in all of the modules. While if you are going for immigration purposes, then certain countries might ask you for band 6, while other countries might ask you for a higher band. It all depends on your case. The fourth is different countries have different IELTS test formats. Well, no. Different countries do not have different IELTS formats. The modules remain the same. It's the speaking, reading, writing, and listening. The exam format remains the same, and there are two versions: academic and general. Okay. So the last one is pen paper exam is easier than the computer based exam. No. The pen paper exam has its own difficulties and the computer based exam has its own difficulties. People who are more proficient with computers should give computer based exam as the typing speed is good. While pen paper based exam is for those people who are more traditionally inclined to writing or who are more traditionally inclined towards looking at a piece of paper and then solving the question. So these are some of the myths for the IELTS test. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button